Well, things are starting to heat up here pretty quick. We have been in the 70s and 80s for a little bit now, and we're gonna bounce right up to 90 and pushing 100. And then we're gonna go back down to the high 60s for a day or two, and then we're gonna go right back up again. So on the roller coaster that is the transition between seasons here in Utah. But today, it's time to mow. And the lawn is hanging in there despite all of the weather challenges that are happening and about to happen. We're doing good. Today, just a good old-fashioned real mowing video. I don't think I've done any significant mowing videos here this year, and that makes me sad. So I'm gonna start out mowing, and then we're gonna give away some stuff. Here we go. That was enjoyable. And the lawn is doing really, really good, all things considering. We're starting to get up into the 90s. I think the high today is 90. And we're dealing with watering restrictions here twice a week right now for watering. And I do have an area back here that's notorious for heat stress. And I'm doing a few things to work on that. And the biggest thing is when you see kind of hazy areas like this, take out the garden hose and just water it down for 5 minutes and just give it a good soak, and then a couple hours later it'll be gone. But if you can get it early like that, then you're better off than when it starts really checking out and even dying. But I've also got a couple of isolated POA spots, and there's one just back over here, and then there's one up front here right next to the tree. So that's kind of a bummer. I've got a couple of spots similar in the backyard too. Come fall time, I'm just gonna dig those out and reseed, and that'll be that. It's just, like I said, isolated and not a big deal, and a pretty easy repair. That's a quick update on the lawn, but man, fresh stripes, can't beat it. And now for the important business. I'm super excited about this giveaway. Again, thank you to Ryobi for providing this opportunity, and thank you guys for all of the support and for watching my videos and for commenting on my videos and all the things that you do to support this crazy hobby of mine. I couldn't have opportunities that I have without you, and I recognize that. So I just want to say thank you. So a couple fun facts. There were almost 3,000 entries, which is pretty cool. Entries came in, as you know, across many different platforms, many different ways for you to enter to win this Ryobi 1+ dethatcher. I do have a surprise for you guys. I said I'd be giving away one of these 1+ dethatchers. Well, I'm gonna give away two. I've got two of them to give away, and I have selected two winners. Now, if you won, I will reach out to you on the platform that you entered and where the winning entry was found. I will respond to you there. And the winners have 7 days from the day this video is posted to reach out to me and get me shipping information and all that good stuff. Otherwise, I'm gonna pick somebody else. So you're on the clock. Now, the interesting thing is the winners, first of all, the winners came from Instagram and my email list. And on Instagram, you had up to 4 possible entries that you could have gotten there, and you could tag 3 people on a post. This person tagged one other person, and won. And that person is the username Will Roundtree, and I'll just put a little screenshot here so that you can see Will Roundtree is the Instagram winner. You have 7 days to email me at jimmy@jimmylewismows.com. Get me your shipping information and we will get you your prize. Now what else is fun is for the second winner, this person came from my email list and they had just signed up right after this was announced. So they signed up on May 25th. So brand new to the email list and already paying dividends. So if you're not subscribed to my email list, just a quick plug to do that. I do send out the occasional email and have tips and updates and things that are just going on around here. So make sure you jump on that. You can go to my website and you'll have an opportunity, if you're not already, to sign up for that email list. So to keep things confidential here, I'm gonna blur out everything after the @ sign on this email address so that you can see who won as far as username goes. And I'll reach out to this person, I'll send them an email and get some shipping information from them. But the winner of the second Ryobi 1 Plus dethatcher is W Paris 93. So if that's you, you're gonna get an email. Congratulations. And I can't wait to get these out to you guys. Thank you all so much for entering and participating. I love giving free stuff away. So I look forward to giving away more stuff here in the future. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, follow along. There's so much going on around here right now. I have a lot of projects that I'm getting pretty close to wrapping up and excited to share more about with you. So please consider subscribing if you're not already. But that is going to go ahead and wrap it up today. Congratulations again to the winners of the Ryobi dethatchers. Hope you enjoy them and I look forward to getting those to you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.